They know that this fight is not gonna happen. Nobody talked to him na, oh, amenable ka ba sa date? Amenable ka ba sa ganyan? So I think kung magkakaroon ng fraud case dito, lalong-lalo lang, nagkaroon ng bentahan ng 300,000 pesos na ticket. This is a ticketed event. They are expecting to see Mayor Baste and Torre to fight. And this is the bigger problem. John Vic Remulla is present in that event. Ang ina mo, dapat makasuhan ka. You attended the show knowing na inapprove mo yung travel authority ni Mayor Baste. So, ikaw, hindi ka nagsalita dito na, ay hindi, may travel authority siya, pinirmahan ko yung travel authority niya hanggang 27. You know that this is a ticketed event. You know that the people who went there bought ticket for 100 pesos to watch the event. So what does that mean? Fraud! Pinost ni Mayor Baste yung kanyang travel authority, and of course, it is signed by John Vic Remulla. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo nung isang araw, na ang travel authority, matagal yung pinaprocess. Gumastos pa kayo ng pangrenta sa Rizal Memorial Stadium, pati yung mga pulis. Pinilit nyo pa na manood ng fight na yan para sa operation ninyo, para lang pagmukain ninyo na duwag si Baste. 'Di ba? Para lang tirahin ang Duterte. Somebody please sue Games and Amusement Board. Those people who signed this resolution, sue them. Sue them all, please. Sobrang grabe na to, tangina. Kadiri. Ang ginawa nila is that yung statement ni Baste doon sa premiere episode ng Basta Dabawenyo, kung magsasapakan tayo, mabubugbog ka talaga. Ginawa nilang challenge. And so, dito na nag-start ang operation. And I think, rumor has it that Secretary Dave Gomez is behind all of this. Okay? Is behind all of this brouhaha on the charity boxing event. Okay? And there are reasons, there are reasons, Secretary Gomez, to believe na ikaw talagang may kasalanan dito. Kasi unang-una, when the parang statement of Baste spread like wildfire, yung journalist na nagtanong, tinatanggap niya po ba ang hamon, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi nga ni Mayor Baste, ikaw, Torre, stupid ka, and yung reporter, yung journalist na nag-ask ng question sa'yo is equally stupid. So, sinet up nyo na talaga si Torre na tanggapin ko ang hamon. Pagkatapos, syempre si Torre, without any prudence on his part, talaga, naghamon ba talaga siya? Let me see his statement for myself. Walang ganun-ganun si Torre. Walang ganun-ganun si Torre. Si Torre, sige, game. Showmanship mode na agad si Torre. So, ito yung yung kumbaga parang dito pa lang, makikita mo na ba't hindi nag-due diligence si Torre? Alamin ko nga kung ano exactly yung sinabi ni Baste, kasi syempre hindi tayo dapat patumpik-tumpik dito. Hindi tayo dapat pa bigla-bigla dito. Hindi tayo dapat pa bigla-bigla dito kasi chief of police ako tapos vice mayor yung kasuntukan ko, ganyan-ganyan. So, Torre, for his part, can actually act more prudent by checking with the journalist na ano ba talaga yung sinabi ni Mayor Baste. Okay. So, yun nga sinabi ni Mayor Baste, hindi naman siya naghahamon. Kasi ang mangyayari dyan, had Torre saw the statement of Baste, ang mangyayari dyan, si Torre ang maghahamon. Like, sigurado ka mabubugbog ako? Sigurado ka mabubugbog ako? Ano sinasabi mo mabubugbog mo ako pagka nagsuntukan tayo? Di suntukan tayo ngayon. Okay, so ang call out ay magiging si Torre. 'Di ba? Ang call out ay magiging si Torre. Syempre, ayaw nila nun. Ang gusto nilang palabasin, si Baste yung palaaway. Si Baste yung talagang naghahamon. Na, kung tutusin, hindi naman talaga siya hinamon ni Baste. But anyway, so, sinet up nila in such a way na magmumukhang naghamon si Baste. Pagkatapos, meron silang reporter na finid doon na magtatanong kay Torre. And Torre did not do his due diligence, parang pulis ka, alam mo yan dapat check mo muna. Sinabi ba talaga? Ganun ba talaga ang pagkakasabi? So mukhang may kunsyabahan na, okay? And yun na nga, ang interest ng mainstream media dito sa fight na ito ay grabing ganun-ganun na lang. I mean, the entire machinery, the entire mainstream media machinery are all talking about this fight, 'di ba? Talagang grabe na yung grabe yung pagpapahype nila dito na parang, oh, ganyan si Torre, ganyan, nag-ano na siya, shadowbox na siya, nag-training na siya. And it is so, it is so hype, it is so disgustingly covered. Talagang wall-to-wall coverage ng fight. And I think, ang ahensya lang, ang entity lang, na magkakaroon ng control sa lahat ng mainstream media organization ay Presidential Communications Office. So I really think that this is an operation led by Dave Gomez. So that one. Ngayon, they made a lot of mistakes along the way. Ang dami nilang mistakes along the way. Like for example, yung una nilang mistake dito is that they made Baste look like he is the duwag person. Pinagmukha nila na si Baste ang duwag. And they try to intimidate Baste doon sa mga video ni Torre na nag-training siya, na nagpo-push up siya, desperately showing na si Mayor Baste ay physically fit. When in fact, he's not physically fit. Torre Diwata ay hindi siya physically fit. So, ibig sabihin, kung talagang magkakaroon ng boxingan dito, o magkakaroon ng harapan dito, kamamatay talaga ni Torre yan. So, ngayon, hindi ka maduduwag sa isang tao na hindi naman physically fit, diba? So ngayon, sinalsal nila ng sinalsa to. Duwag. And then after that, there's also a coverage of Mayor Baste going to Singapore saying na tumakas si Baste. This is also wall-to-wall coverage, ha? Wall-to-wall coverage din to. Ngayon, edi after that, dumating na nga itong 27. So ngayon, hinipe-hype nila, talagang tuloy, ganyan, tuloy. Pagkatapos, yung GAB ay nagbigay pa ng lisensya, ng permit para dito sa fight na to. Talagang mocking talaga, Baste, it's official, the Games and Amusement Board has approved the 27 July boxing match between PNP Chief Nicolas Torre and Davao Mayor Baste El Takbo Supremo. This is, operations. They know that this fight is not gonna happen. However, itong Games and Amusement Board, I think if there's going to be a case about what happened today, this is the most corrupt, the most absurd, oh my God, situation. Parang putang ina talaga yung government natin would really engage into something like this. At yung mga government agencies, nagtulong-tulong pa in order to put this up. Games and Amusement Board issued a resolution to ensure the safety and integrity of the proposed boxing match between PNP Chief Nicolas Torre and acting Davao City Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte. Now we have a problem here. Kasi namagitan ang trabaho ng GAB is to ensure that there is going to be a fair fight. So ibig sabihin, dapat yung mga fighters are well apprised of the terms. Yung mga fighters are also at a certain level of fitness na pwede silang magkaroon ng fair fight. Puta yung itsura ni Torre para mamamatay pagka hindi naman tatagal ng 3 rounds tong si Torre. So ngayon, ang nakakataka dito, why Game and Amusement Board would issue this kind of resolution na hindi naman pala nila nakausap si Mayor Baste. So apparently, Mayor Baste taped his Basta Dabawenyo, pinalabas niya nung Saturday. Tinape niya yon, I think nung Wednesday or nung Thursday before he left to to Singapore. But nobody talked to him. Na amenable ka ba sa date? Amenable ka ba sa ganyan? Walang kumuusap sa kanya na ganon. And if you're going to look at the way the mainstream media presented this, yung parang hindi tuloy na to, ganyan. So I think kung magkakaroon ng fraud case dito, lalong-lalo lang nagkaroon ng bentahan ng 300,000 pesos na ticket. And this is a ticketed event. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga tao pupunta dyan sa event na yan because they are expecting to see Mayor Baste and Torre to fight. And this is the bigger problem. Because John Vic Remulla is present in that event. Nagpunta si John Vic Remulla at nakinood siya. DILG Secretary immediately left Rizal Memorial Coliseum after PNP Chief Nicolas Torre was declared the winner. So ayan si John Vic. Ayan yung katawang lupa ni John Vic. Ang ina mo, dapat makasuhan ka. Okay. Eto pa, ng Super Radio DCBB. Ayan, huling-huli ka, John Vic. Okay? Ayan, nandyan ka, John Vic. You attended the show knowing na inapprove mo yung travel authority ni Mayor Baste at alam mong wala siya sa ng 27. Diba? Ngayon, si Mayor Baste ay part ng LGU. So somehow, yung national government has a supervisory function on LGUs that includes Mayor Baste. So ikaw, hindi ka nagsalita dito na ay hindi, may travel authority siya, pinirmahan ko yung travel authority niya hanggang 27. You know that this is a ticketed event. You know that the people who went there bought ticket for 100 pesos to watch the event. So what does that mean? Fraud! You orchestrated a massive fraud! Pinost ni Mayor Baste yung kanyang travel authority today, and of course, it is signed by John Vic Remulla. Okay? Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo nung isang araw, na ang travel authority, matagal yung pinaprocess. Matagal yung pinaprocess ang travel authority. Hindi yan basta-basta Hindi yan basta-basta, gusto kong pumunta ng China, punta akong US, ganyan. Tapos ura-urada ka, hihingi ka ng travel authority. It's not gonna happen in the government. Okay? It's not gonna happen in the government. Especially pagka nandun ka sa airport at alam nila na government official ka at wala kang travel authority, hindi ka palalabasin ng bansa. Pwede ka ma-offload. So you really have to secure this. So ngayon, itong travel authority na to, ang nakapirma, Juanito Victor C. Remulla. Ang travel date ni Mayor Baste ay July 25 to July 29. 2025. This was granted July 20. This application was actually submitted in June 2025, right? So ngayon, another group effort na naman, courtesy of John Vic Remulla perhaps. And the new, the Presidential Communications Office, I think may kinalaman talaga kayo dito Diba? But anyway, since yung kay Dave Gomez, chismis lang naman yun, di naman natin alam kung siya talaga. But ang klaro dito, si John Vic Remulla, balagoong ka na naman. So ngayon, kayo dyan sa gobyerno, alalahanin ninyo, pag tatanga-tanga kayo, kayo ang gagawing balagoong. So siguro, dahil nakita nila na to si John Vic Remulla ay hindi naman bright, siya na naman ang balagoong ngayon. Balagoong na naman si John Vic Remulla. Ayan, kitang-kita, ikaw nakapirma ng travel authority. Alam mo. So ibig sabihin, you could have been the first person to raise na bakit kayo gagastos ng Rizal Coliseum? Ba't kayo gaganyan ng ganito? Yung isang fighter, hindi naman natin alam kung pupunta. So you planned all the bullshit. Inistorbo nyo pa ang mga tao around around the Rizal Memorial Coliseum na nagkaroon ng sobrang traffic dahil dyan sa kaputangan nyo dyan. Na traffic pa ng bonggang-bongge. Ayan. Inabala nyo pa ang mga tao para dito sa kapritsyong ito. Para sa operation ninyo, para lang pagmukain ninyo na duwag si Baste. 'Di ba? Para lang tirahin ang Duterte. Inabala nyo ang tao sa traffic, gumastos pa kayo ng pangrenta sa Rizal Memorial Stadium, pati yung mga pulis. Pinilit nyo pa na manood ng fight na yan. At ano yung pruweba dyan? Well, ang nag-post ay si General Fillmore Bondiles Escobal. Sabi niya, mandatory pala mag-attend ang mga pulis sa boxing match at mandatory din mag-donate. Totoo ba ito? So, this is just hindi ito yung parang super random kasi may malalaking tarp, meron pa silang pa-dance number dyan. At, di ba, ang daming pumunta talaga ba? Ang dami pang pumunta. And itong mga audience na to are police. Yun ang sinabi. Police ang mga to. And there is also a memo na lumabas dated July 26, 2025. At ang subject doon ay boxing event of CNPNP at Rizal Memorial Coliseum. This pertains to the boxing event of the CPNP to be held at Rizal Memorial Coliseum on July 27, 2025. On this regard, all Krame-based personnel are directed to support the CPNP in this initiative. Assembly time is 6 a.m. tomorrow, July 27, in front of the HCIDG in civilian attire. Attendance is a must for strict compliance. Signed by a police colonel. So, inistorbo nyo ng mga tao, inistorbo nyo pa ang mga pulis, tapos alam nyo naman na walang kalaban. Alam nyo naman na hindi talaga darating si Mayor Baste dahil hindi nyo naman siya kinausap altogether. And I think, all Duterte lawyers here, this is your opportunity to put these people in their proper places. Harap-harapan na tayong ginagago nitong mga to. Gagawa kayo ng operation, gagawa kayo ng PR operation at the expense of our policemen. Kasi ang inaano nila dito, charity daw eh. Ang sabi dito, ang report sa mainstream media is that nung una 16 million daw ang nag-donate para sa charity na to. Kasi nga, supposedly, it should encourage people to donate para sa mga typhoon victims. So ang sabi, 300,000, nireport ito ng DCWWW 774. Sabi raw ni Torre, nakalikom ng mahigit na 300,000 na ticket sales, mahigit 16 million na donasyon, at 4.2 million na in-kind donation ang charity match. And I do not know where those money came from, no? As malamang sa mga katropa-tropa lang rin nila yan because they want to put legitimacy on this fight eh. Diba? Sobrang nakakaloka yung GAB kasi ang resolution ng GAB is July 25th, yan na yung date na umalis si Mayor Baste. Effective na yung travel authority ni Mayor Baste dyan. So ngayon, dito sa resolution number 2025-8, series of 2025, a resolution to ensure the safety and integrity of the proposed boxing match between PNP Chief Nicolas Torre and acting Davao City Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte. Integrity of the match. Is there integrity in a match na hindi naman sila nagkasundo sa terms? GAB? Games and Amusement Board. Meron bang integrity ang isang match na hindi nyo naman pinag-usap ang dalawang partido at yung isa, nagpunta na, nagrenta na ng venue, hindi pa pala nag-agree yung isa? Where's the integrity in that? Okay? To ensure, okay, ang existence ng GAB ay nakaangkla sa Executive Order number 120 amended by EO number 392 at ang trabaho ay to ensure that events are conducted with the highest standards of safety, integrity, and sportsmanship. Is there any sportsmanship dun sa pag-i-ensure na sanctioned itong laban na ito na hindi mo naman sila pinaghaharap? Where the proposed boxing match has come to the attention of GAB, being high-profile sporting event that could encourage the values of principle, resilience, and camaraderie. Hindi ba to? Has come to the attention of GAB? Torre has started training, ganyan-ganyan. You did not even talk about the two athlete, the two competitor, the two fighter. Ano to? Nag-sanction lang kayo kasi nakita nyo na nagte-training si Torre? Somebody please sue Games and Amusement Board. Those people who signed this resolution. Sue them. Sue them all, please. Sobrang grabe na to, tangina. Kadiri.